Hey guys, this is Seth here at Central KY Motorsports, and today we're going to go over 5 accessories that are needed for your woods riding. First up, we have full wrap handguards in stock. We keep the Cycra Pro bins in a variety of colors, along with the Husqvarna and Gas brands as well. As you can see on this TE 300 Pro here, it does come with flags. Flags are great. However, when it comes to hand protection overall, you don't get that full protection. When you smack up against trees, these break, damage your hands. With the full wrap handguards, they actually go all the way around and bolt into the bar end using a swell or an expansion tube. Now, you can utilize the swell or the expansion tube, but it is always recommended when you buy one of these kits to get a tap kit to go with it. It has in some cases happened where the expansion tube will pop out and then you have to buy replacements. With this case, you tap it right into your bar ends and you'll be good to go. Next on our list is we got the bulletproof billet radiator guards. We also keep these in a variety of different colors. On this TE 300 Pro, it does come with plastic radiator guards. I always recommend to upgrade. These do offer protection, nothing compared to the billet ones. And the last thing you want to do out on the trail is bust a radiator and ruin your day. For number 3, we have the expansion chamber and the turbine core 2.1 silencer from FMF. Depending on the bike that you have, they offer the expansion chamber in 2 different options, the gnarly or the fatty. The only difference between the two is the gnarly is going to be a little bit heavier, a little bit thicker, depending on the riding that you're doing, whether it be roost or logs or anything like that. You may want to go with the thicker one. The turbine core 2.1 comes with a spark arrestor, and with the combination of the two, you will have a fantastic sound and a little bit of power increase. Next up on the list is going to be the Radiator Fans. So we keep 2 brands in stock. One is going to be a Husqvarna Radiator fan. The other one is going to be a Trail Tech. Both of them come with a digital thermostat. And as you can see on this TE 300 Pro over here, it actually comes with a radiator fan ready to go from the factory, but a lot of your base models will not. It is recommended to have that in the woods so you don't overheat. Last but not least, we have the Nitro Mousse Bibs. These are a great option to replace tubes so you don't get any flats while you're on the trails. These guys come in 2 different options. One is going to be the Progressive Platinum, which is going to feel like a tire pressure of 10 to 12 PSI, and the other is going to be a soft plushie that is going to feel like a 6 to 8 PSI. The Platinum is going to be best for all-around terrain, while the soft is going to be more ideal for traction and technical terrain. We keep all these accessories on hand here at Central KY Motorsports, and we beat any price around. If you have any questions, give us a call at 859-888-0740 and ask for the parts department.